Hello, my name is Levi.
Will, Aaron, and Amelia.
Today is Friday, January 16th, 2026, and it's what's happening at Broken STEM Academy.
From the office, to observe Martin Luther King Jr. Day, there is no school on Monday, January 19th. This is to honor Dr. King's legacy and his contributions to civil rights and equality.
The 100th day of school is Wednesday, January 21st. Feel free to celebrate with us by wearing something 100th day themed.
Our annual cookie dough and trash bag fundraiser will kick off on Thursday, January 22nd.
Yearbook orders continue through the end of January. You may order online at Interstatecom, ordering using code 0265SX.
VK had a lot of fun working together to build together this week.
Kindergarten has been learning about composing and decomposing numbers in math. They're doing a great job. Their hard work in math has paid off this week when they took the NWEA test. They did an amazing job. Go Kindergarten!
First grade is still working on their American Independence KLA unit. They learned about the creation of our flag and about George Washington. They got to design their own class flag and made some George Washington hats.
Second grade finished their study of polar bears by making dens and discovering how polar blubber helps keep polar bears warm in the Arctic cold. As you can see, without blubber, polar bears will be very cold. Just look how cold the second graders were. Very cold.
The third graders are learning about all the different habitats of the world. Did you know that the desert only gets about 10 inches of rain per year? Ocean habitats make up most of the surface of the earth. Mangrove trees grow in the wetland habitats. These trees grow underwater. The students chose a habitat and created their own slideshow.
Congratulations to our Positivity Wagon dog nominees. For the month of December and January, Pre-K Rosalie P., Kindergarten Carter F., First grade Lucas R., Second grade Colton B., Third grade Wyatt M., and Fourth grade Layla S.
And Library. Miss Yates would like to announce that Battle of the Books is starting January 23rd for third and fourth graders. The competition will be on March 19th at 10 a.m. in the gym. We invite second through fourth grade as well as parents to come watch and cheer on our teams.
In PE, students have been working on their projects to show off their favorite foods in their food groups. We will continue with our health and wellness unit through January.
In art, students have been creating various winter-inspired projects. Here is a look at the penguins. First grade has been working on they chose warm or cool colors to paint swirls for their backgrounds and created a penguin. Drawing experimentally that they colored, cut out, and glued on top.
In computer science, we are continuing to make floor plans for the Habitat for Humanity banquet. We also added paper houses to the decorations.
After school activities, the Brooklyn STEM Academy robotics team participated in their first robotics competition last Saturday. These kids did an amazing job. Even with a few malfunctions along the way, they showed perseverance, teamwork, and determination and still performed fantastically.
Placing 21st and 15th and having our second grade team earn 5th place is a huge accomplishment. Several coaches, scorekeepers, and judges even stopped our second graders to tell them how incredible it was to see them confidently competing against sixth graders. What an outstanding day for Brooklyn Robotics. There will be next competition will be at Bell Intermediate Academy on January 24th.
Brooklyn's first Girl on the Run program will be starting soon. Make sure you keep an eye out for information from Miss Goldman.
Here's a message from Mrs. Tier.
We've got one positive office referral for this week, and that goes to Ava and Mrs. Underhill's class. Ava is a great helper and a leader in the classroom, and she knows all of her letters. Excellent job. After announcements, please come up for a book.
Joke of the week. What kind of doctor is Dr. Pepper?
I don't know what kind of doctor is Dr.
A
Pepper.
physician.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye! Rock, paper, scissors.